Hello guys and welcome to another video of Internal Rounder. This video we are going to see how a simple program to get an output of 1 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2. So this will form an regular structure, and starting the program I would like to show you how a program will look like. So a program will be like 1 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 1. So our program will look like this after being done. Here n will decide the maximum value, means this portion, and this portion will be decided by the n to say, and after that this true. We have already in our previous program, so you know how they work, and if you don't, just you can always go and visit, and I would like to tell you how it's done. So now we will try to run it once, and as we have compiled, there is no syntax error, so you can go new triangle run values. So that is what will form a triangular structure. When I will select it, you will be able to see it better how our triangular looks. So this is very simple technique to create out this 2D figures like structure. You get using the next means one loop inside the. So thanks for watching my video. I like